Hi guys, so basically this is my first live. I created this Facebook profile of mine because I wanted to make it really clean where I just want to do it for my new business where I want to get to know this community of people using it. So
in the video you just saw, that was me when I started my first ever Facebook Live and my video. It's very easy for other people to assume that, hey, you know what, June, you're born talented and you're very good in public speaking. That is the reason why that you can appear so naturally and confident in front of camera. But then at the back, you guys did not see how many times I failed in my video, in my Facebook Live, where I was seriously nervous, but then I did not show in front of the camera. And then I've shooted tons of video, which is really bad, but then I did not show to you guys. The one that you guys are looking at are the one that is already being perfected, and because I know how to edit them, record them very fast. So you only seen the good one. You haven't really seen the bad one because I didn't show you, right? So that's why when I first started off, I started with super nervous. I didn't even look at a camera. So I started with the same journey just like you guys. I was seriously handshaking. My heart was beating very fast. Okay, up until the point I said, June, you know what? Even though that you are afraid, even though you are not good at it, all you need to do is just to take the right practice every single day and make sure every single day you can improve by 1% each day. And just start doing the Facebook Live and video, right? So because I know video is the new trend and it's a new future. Why do I say so? In all the social media platform right now, if let's say you're looking at a specific ads, right? Video build connection instantly. Video build following instantly, faster than written content. When was the last time that you saw a really good piece of content and then you connect with the author right away? When was the last time? Compared to you watch a video that was oh my god, super powerful, and then you connect to the person in the video instantly. Which one is better? Definitely the video. I know it because I am that way, and then there are so many people out there and friends I met out there. They told me they have been watching my videos silently for a very long period of time, and then they decided to buy something from me right away, and then I don't even know them, right? So if let's say we know that videos has such a great future, videos are so good, we can use them for a Facebook ads to do retargeting ads so easily. But then why is it not everyone are comfortable at doing the videos? Why are not everybody doing the video, right? It's very simple. They fear about appearing in front of camera. They do not know what to talk about. They fear of judgment, fear of negative comments. They are afraid of what their friends and family are going to look at them once they see they are on live. They have self-doubt, imposter syndrome kick in. Am I good enough to teach others? Am I good enough to share my ideas, to share my knowledge, to share it with the rest of the world, right? All these are your fears. I know it because I've been through it. You do not know what kind of topics to talk about. You do not know what to set up. You think you need the perfect script. You need the perfect video. You need the perfect background just like this, right? You thought you knew it all. That's the reason why that is stopping you from pressing the live button, and then you need to have a step-by-step guideline to build your brand value, to have the unlimited topic ideas, to find the template in order to hook your audience, right? All these are very important because Facebook Live is just a stepping stone for you to achieve greater things. To be able to speak on stage one day, to be able to create your YouTube channel. I know you have been wanting to do it for a very long time, but then you haven't started because you can't even press a live button. But what if I tell you guys that producing a Facebook Live is much easier than producing a YouTube, right? Would you guys believe it? Right? So that's the reason why that I create this amazing live academy. I am actually my own client because 1 year before I started out this, I wish that someone can walk me through the entire process, can walk me through what kind of contents that I can create to build the authority faster, what steps I should actually take before I start pressing the live button, and how am I going to have the scripts that is able to bring my audience to the next place where I'm able to continue build the relationship with them and to build a following, to build an authority so much faster. I didn't have that. That is the reason why after producing about 260 Facebook Live and almost 300 videos, like I find a method to be able to scale it and also to build an authority fast in a niche that you want to be in and to become an influencer and to get attention, and I'm able to find my voice and to share my idea out to inspire and create impact. Okay, that's the reason why I created Amazing Life Academy, and I want to invite you guys to join it, be part of the member of Amazing Life Academy, because we are more than just a self-study course. We are a community. I want to be able to help you guys throughout the 12 months period that you are in Amazing Life Academy. I want you to be able to create your first Facebook Live, to be able to create your first YouTube video to stream live in YouTube. And everything is very possible. Okay, so if let's say you're interested in what we have to offer, we actually have a lot of step-by-step guideline to teach you how to create brand values so that you're able to appear so confidently as well as very comfortably in front of the camera without fear of the camera. Okay, and then we are going to teach you what will be the way that you're able to find a content ideas, like you have constant unlimited content ideas that is able to fit into topic that you enjoy, that you're passionate in to talk about. We have a framework, we have the exercise to teach you. Also, we are going to teach you the technology stuff about including how you actually should script your video structure, that you're able to hook the audience and also able to structure them in such a manner that your audience stay to the end of your video and they're able to continue build the relationship with you in the next funnel. All right, we are able to give you that as well, including like the template scripts, so that you can just pick our brain and it just follow through. We are going to teach you all the technology stuff, that how am I going to record so many different videos and do it so easily and so professionally with all those intros, outros, and also different animation and effects. Right, you are just going to learn all this step by step, and it's easier than you think because we are breaking it down in a checklist, in a lecture notes and exercise note for you, so that it's easy for you to implement. You can even create your brand intro and brand outro using the free software, where we cover that in our training as well. There's so many things that we cover in that I couldn't cover in one single video here. So if let's say you're interested, feel free to scroll down to check out all the bonuses and awesome free lifetime premium software that we're going to give away. You're actually going to see all this free premium lifetime software because I exactly wanted this software for myself, like when I starting out, but then right now I give it away for you guys, like for free for lifetime. So to check it out at the button down below. And because right now we are launching this Amazing Life Academy at beta launching, it's a soft launching. Even though it's a soft launching, inside the academy you already have 6 different modules, starting from actually finding your why, right, to actually teaching you how to the step-by-step in the technology, finding your brand values, creating your contents, all the scripts, they are all available. Beta launching for 6 modules with awesome bonuses. But June, like, what's the catch? Why are you offering in such an affordable prices? The reason is I need you to be successful in this video journey. It's more than just a course that we are building up. We are actually building a community, Amazing Life Academy community, and I want you to be part of the community, and let's grow together. Alright, so if let's say you're interested, feel free to click the link button right below, and we are only opening up for enrollment for a limited number of spots. And then once we actually continually upgrade the entire module, the entire Amazing Life Academy, we upgrade it, we are going to increase the price. Alright, we are just going to increase the price anytime soon, and then we are also going to reduce the bonuses that you are going to get. So if let's say you're interested, think no further. This 12-month Amazing Life Academy is going to help you to achieve your first ever breakthrough. Okay, so I'll see you guys inside the Amazing Life Academy then. Take care, bye.